Hey everybody, today we're going to give you a brief overview of the Eve brand and all of their smart home products. Welcome to Tink, I'm Trevor, and today we're going to be talking to you all about the Eve brand as well as their smart home products, which you can see I have in front of me here. So as you can see from the wide range of products right in front of me, Eve offers a lot of different options for things you can add to your smart home, whether it's something you want to monitor your water consumption with or set timers and alerts for your garden. There's the Eve Aqua. We also have the smart plug. We've got lights. They have a wide range of things you can add to your home, especially relating to your use of utilities. So things you use every day in your home and you might want to know a bit more about or control. So we'll do a real quick glimpse at some of the products that Eve has. Right here we have the Eve Aqua, which will allow you to monitor your water and control your water in a smart way. This is meant for outside, so you can connect it to your outdoor hose and you can control the water that's going through there or monitor how much you're consuming. Then we've got here, which is kind of the most basic of the products, but is very useful, the Eve Energy, which is a plug essentially for your wall, and you can plug in different appliances there to see how much power they're using as well as controlling them. And last but not least, one of the cooler, newer things that Eve offers is the Eve Flair, which is meant as an outdoor light, so you can provide some cool ambient lighting in whatever outdoor space you're using it in. One thing about the Eve is that it's solely used through Apple HomeKit, so you can control it with Siri or on your iPhone or iPad, but it is not compatible with Google or Amazon Alexa. So that's something to consider about Eve. But other than that, they have a great wide range of products that are all extremely useful in the smart home system. So this has been our brief overview of the Eve brand and all their smart home products. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments below or go to tink.us for more information. Or stay tuned to this channel where we're going to put out some more videos about the Eve brand and how to get some of these products set up. See ya.